Hello everyone! So, dito po sa video ito, isi-share ko po sa inyo kung paano po yung paggawa ng LAS. Okay, ang LAS po is the learning activity sheets na magagamit po natin sa modular. And then, magbibigay din po ako ng complete sample ng LAS sa Mathematics 10, which is naka-base sa MELC week number 1. Okay, so which is ang MELC week 1 po natin sa Mathematics 10 is generates pattern, illustrates an arithmetic sequence. Okay? So, unahin po muna natin ang parts ng LAS. Ano ba yung mga parts ng LAS natin? Okay. So, una is the learning resource title. Kung ano po yung title ng LAS or learning activity sheets natin. And then, pangalawa po is the introduction o panimula. So, sa introduction, pwede po tayo maglagay ng mga 5 to 7 sentences lang po. And then, number 3 is the learning competency o kasanayang pampagkatuto. Okay, so itong learning competency, kinukuha po natin siya sa MELC po na binigay po ng DepEd. And then, number 4 is objectives o layunin. Ano ba yung mga objectives mo o layunin mo sa lesson na gagawin mo o sa activity sheets na gagawin mo? Then, number 5 is the discussion o pagtalakay. So, dito natin tatalakayin kung ano yung lesson. Then, number 6, magbibigay po tayo ng activities o mga gawain. Okay, so at least 5 activities. Parang isang activity sa isang araw. Kasi itong learning activity sheets is pang isang linggo po siya. 1 week activity. And then, part 7 or number 7, assessment o pagsusulit. So, bibigyan din po natin ng assessment yung bata para ma-measure natin kung ano po yung naintindihan ng bata. And then, next, we have the reflection or pangwakas. So, sa reflection, pwede po tayo maglagay ng fill in the blanks. Parang ito na yung pinaka-summary ng lesson natin. Okay, and then 9, which is the references. Kung saan po tayo kumuha ng mga inilagay natin doon sa learning activity sheets natin. Okay, yung mga materials na ginamit po natin, like learner's module, or kung ano pa man po yung books na ginamit natin. Okay, and then 10 is answer key o susi sa pagwawasto. Since po modular at walang gabay yung teacher, okay, maaring tingnan ng bata kung tama yung sagot niya o mali. Okay, so meron po tayong sample ng LAS in Mathematics 10. Okay, so ito po, i-share ko po sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng LAS. Okay, so ito po is based sa idea ko, okay, based sa kaalaman ko at based sa pagkakaintindi ko doon sa parts ng LAS na ibinigay. Okay po. So, ito yung pinaka number 1 sa part na yon, which is the learning activity sheets. Okay, Mathematics 10. Okay, yun po yung pinakauna. And then, yung pangalawa doon is the introduction. Ito po yung ginawa ko introduction. Ayan, pasensya na po sa grammar if may mali. In this learning activity sheets, you will define sequence and generate its pattern and find the next term. You will know more about arithmetic sequence. You will also learn how to find its common difference. That will lead you to identify whether the given sequence is an arithmetic sequence or not. You will be able to find the missing terms. Given the first term and the common difference, you will be able to create a arithmetic sequence. Knowing all this will enable you to easily understand the concept of an arithmetic sequence and utilize it in our daily lives. Okay, so dito sa introduction, introduce natin yung lesson kung ano ba yung expected natin dun sa lesson and then kung ano ang kalagahan ng lesson. Okay, next, number 2, the learning competency. So, itong learning competency na to, kinuha ko siya sa MELC. Okay, yung updated na MELC, which is, the first one is the generates pattern. Andyan po yung code. And then, the second is illustrates an arithmetic sequence. Okay, and with the code. Okay, so ito po is, ang nakalagay po doon sa MELC, is week 1 to 2. So, bali hinati ko yung topic ng week 1 to 2. Okay, so ito muna yung ginawa kong week 1. Then, the third one is the objectives. At the end of this learning activity sheets, you're able to find the pattern and the next term of the given sequence. Number 2, illustrates an arithmetic sequence. Number 3, find the common difference of an arithmetic sequence. And number 4, determine the next term and the missing terms of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so yun yung mga expected or yung mga objective natin dito sa lesson natin. Okay, and then sa part 4 is discussion na. Okay, so sinimulan ko siya sa sequence. Okay, in-introduce ko muna kung ano yung sequence. And then, in-introduce ko yung term ng bawat sequence, which is yun yung tinatawag na first term, second, third, fourth, fifth, and yung n na yun, which is a sub n, is the nth term. Okay, hindi nagbigay ako ng example. Ayun, example number 1. Okay, the first sequence is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Ano yung pattern? Okay? And then the answer. What is the next number? And what is the 10th term? And then nilagay ko rin kung ano yung example na yun. Kung paano nakuha yung 10th term na 19. Okay, next. So example number 2, ayan, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Okay? So dito sa number 2 naman, kanina, kung ang pattern niya is adding 2, ito naman is multiplying by 2. Okay, para makita ng bata, may compare ng bata kung ano yung pagkakaiba nung dalawang sequence na yon. Okay, next sa example number 3, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Sa iba naman siya. Okay, so dito kasi sa number 3, ang pattern niya is ini-square ang number. Okay, so kung yung bata wala pa siyang idea kung ano yung square ng number, pwede natin siyang lagyan ng recall. Okay, tulad ng 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. Okay, so andyan din kung paano kunin yung, let's say for example, what is the 9th term? Okay, ano yung 9th term? So bibigay natin kung ano yung mga terms na yun. Okay, so mula dun sa first term hanggang makaabot ka ng 9th term para makita ng bata kung paano makuha ang 9th term. Okay, next. Okay. So, since na-recall ko na kung ano yung sequence, okay, naipakita ko na kung ano yung terms, okay, nagkaroon na sila ng idea sa first term, second term, third term, and so on. Okay, so this time, i-introduce ko na kung ano yung arithmetic sequence, which is ito yung pinaka-lesson natin. Arithmetic sequence is a sequence where every term after the first is obtained by adding a constant called common difference. So, i-discuss mo na kung ano yung lesson. And then, magbibigay ka ng example. Ayan. So, our example is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. To find the common difference, ayan. So, andyan yung example po natin. Okay, next. Okay, the checking. To check, add the common difference 2 to each term of the sequence. Okay, so i-check natin. Then, next, example number 2, ayan. So, iba naman ang common difference nito, which is negative naman ang common difference niya. And then, checking, ayan. So, sa checking na yan, marami nako-confuse na bata. Bakit siya naging 12? Bakit siya naging 9? Bakit siya naging 6? At bakit siya naging 3? So, dito, kung alam natin na medyo nalilito ang bata, pwede tayong mag-recall. Okay? So, dito, recall natin yung addition of integers. Ano ba yung rule ng addition ng integers? Kapag same sign, i-add, tas copy the common sign. Kapag different sign, iso-subtract, and then copy the sign of the bigger number. Okay, so mare-recall yung bata. 5. Activities. Okay, so dito sa activities, magbibigay tayo ng 5. We have the activity number 1. Ayan, my pattern and my next term. And then, magbibigay din tayo ng direction. Answer the given questions. We have number 1, what is the pattern, what is the next term, find the yung first activity ko, naka-align siya doon sa first discussion natin doon sa sequence. Okay. So, ang ilalagay natin sa activities, kung ano yung nasa objective natin, inaasahan natin doon, yun din yung ilalagay natin sa activities. Okay, next sa example or sa activity number 2, choose me. Okay, directions, choose and write all arithmetic sequence in the first column and its common difference on the second column. Sa ibang activity naman siya. Okay, pero nasa arithmetic sequence pa rin tayo. So, pipiliin ng bata kung alin siya yung arithmetic sequence, then ilalagay niya dito sa column. And then, i-identify ng bata kung ano ang common difference ng napili niyang sequence. Next, activity number 3, what is my difference? Direction, determine the common difference of the following arithmetic sequence. Okay, so dito naman, given ang sequence, identify lang ng bata kung ano ang common difference. Next, number 4, what is missing? Directions, find the missing terms of the following arithmetic sequence. Okay, so dito, since alam na ng bata kung paano kunin ang common difference, okay, masasagutan na ng bata kung ano yung missing terms ng sequence. Okay, next, activity number 5, create me. Okay, write the first 5 terms of an arithmetic sequence given the first term and the common difference. Okay, so since baka hindi pa nila alam kung paano gawin, so nagbigay ako ng example. Okay, so ayun yung example. If a sub 1 is 3, the common difference is d. Okay, nag-start ako sa first term na a sub 1, which is 3. Okay, and then nag-add ako ng 5 dahil yan yung common difference. And then, nagkaroon ako ng sequence na 3, 8, 13, 18, 23. Okay, which is masusundan na ng bata, yung activity mo. Okay, next, 6 is the assessment. Okay, so dito natin iti-test yung bata kung ano ang natutunan ng bata doon sa diniscuss mo. Okay, so dito sa assessment mo, dapat naka-align doon sa objective na ginawa mo. Okay, so directions, choose the letter of the correct answer. Ayan, so, meron akong ginawang 4 questions dito. Okay, so assessment is pwedeng umabot hanggang 10 ang assessment. Okay. Next, we have 7, reflection. Okay, so fill in the blanks. Usually sa reflection, parang ito na yung pinaka-summary ng lesson. Okay, and then, 8, which is the references. Ano ang reference na ginamit mo? Okay, so ito kasi ang ginamit ko is Mathematics Learners Module ng grade 10. So, pwede nyo pang dagdagan, halimbawa, kumuha po kayo ng ibang aklat, okay, which is the algebra or what, so pwede nyo idagdag sa reference na yan. And then we have number 9, the answer key. Okay, para kahit nasa bahay ang bata or modular ang bata at wala siyang communications with the teachers or walang gagabay sa kanya, mache-check niya yung ginawa niya. Okay, malalaman niya kung tama o mali ang ginawa ng bata. Okay, so ayun yung activity 1, activity 2, activity 3, activity 4, activity 5, and the assessment. Okay, so sa reflection din, ayan, so lagay na rin natin yung sagot sa reflection. Ito kanina yung mga blank. Okay, so nilagyan ko na siya ng sagot. Ayan, thank you for watching. That's all for now. Sa lahat po ng interested sa soft copy ng last or learning activity sheets na ito, pwede ko pong i-share ang editable Word format at PDF format nito. Sa Word format po, pwede nyo pong i-edit ang ginawa ko. Okay, pwede nyo pong palitan kung ano yung mga activities na ayaw nyo doon kapag naka-Word po ang format na maibibigay sa inyo. For more video lesson po, so may mga uploads din po akong math video lessons, especially ng junior high school. Search nyo lang po ang Math-ish and then click playlist po. Okay, thank you so much. Pwede nyo rin po itong i-share. So, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button below. Thank you!